This is our initial 10 by 12 pond. I think it ended up being a little closer to probably like 13 by 14, somewhere in there. And we are gearing these waterfalls towards opposite kind of directions where everything is heading and trying to integrate a lower patio that is already existing into this circle of the driveway that's just been bare rocks for who knows how long. It's been a long time. But coming in here with these stairs was, I think, one of the greatest things to integrate you up to your interaction stone. The canvas we had to work with for this pond turned out to be absolutely beautiful. Tearing out all that rock, getting back down to a blank slate and seeing what we actually had to work with, going up to the mountains and picking the boulders, knowing what we were going to be building in there. And we used all but like 4 rocks on this project. That's tight, that's real tight, to the limits of our materials. We want this to be the most pleasant experience possible. And man, this thing has turned out to be absolutely amazing. So you guys tell me what you think in the comments down there. You love it, you hate it, who knows? I love it. We're coming with a 9 by 14 pond, 2 feet deep, fish cave, underwater lights. We're gonna have a stream, we're gonna have a bridge, we're gonna have a retention off the side of the house to keep the dirt off the non-waterproofed brick, and that is what we were gonna do.